Today we'll be making stir-fry noodles. All the ingredients will be down below. First, thinly sliced carrots, pepper, and onion, as well as your pork. To marinate, add soy sauce and cornstarch and mix. Now we'll pan fry our pork. Once fully cooked, remove from heat, and now we'll pan fry our vegetables. Start with your carrots. Then add in the onions, and we'll add in some salt. Then add in your peppers and continue to mix. Once cooked, remove from heat and set this aside. Add some oil and diced garlic, and we'll cook our bean sprouts. Add salt and continue to mix. Now to boiling water, add in our Cantonese style steamed noodles. We'll cook these for only 1 minute. After a minute, drain and rinse with cold water. Now we can combine everything together. To your wok, add in your drained noodles. For flavoring, we'll add in our soy sauce and sugar mixture. Once mixed, we can add in our cooked pork and veggies. And there you have it, an easy, delicious stir-fry noodle. Enjoy!